Hey everyone, welcome to week 4, and it's my first video on sleep, rest and recuperation. Now they don't call it beauty sleep for nothing, as we're about to find out. So you've eaten lots of protein and you've been out and done exercise, whether that's running or weightlifting, and that's 2 of the 3 steps that you need to do. The third, to be able to use that protein, is to get a good night's sleep. Now while you're sleeping, your body secretes something called human growth hormone. I've got a list here of 7 things that it does. It's responsible for cell growth, cell reproduction and cell regeneration. So it's responsible for rebuilding your body after the damage that you've put it through whilst you've been exercising with the proteins that you've eaten. It helps you to retain calcium, it improves fat burning, it improves your cognitive abilities, and also continues the anti-aging process. So there are a lot of benefits to having good quality sleep. Now, some of the things that help you improve the levels of human growth hormone apart from sleep are intermittent fasting, which we talked about on a previous video, intense exercise, so high intensity interval training, vitamin B3. And some of the things which decrease the levels of human growth hormone are insomnia, so not getting enough sleep, reduce sugar, you're going to improve your ability to generate human growth hormone, and stress, which is why I'm in a nice comfy bed while I'm shooting this video. So here are 5 tips to getting a good night's sleep. Number 1 is this thing, your mobile phone. Now the pixels in the screen, both on your phone and on TV, if you've got one in your bedroom, they have 3 different colours, red, blue and green. And the blue pixels emit a certain kind of light which tricks your brain into thinking that it's daytime. So in the few hours leading up to your bed, you're going to want to restrict how much you're actually looking at your phone or watching TV. There are a couple of apps if you really need to be on Facebook that late at night. You can find them on App Store, on Google Play, and they basically refilter the colours that are on your screen. So they take away some of the blues and it looks a lot redder, a lot darker, but it will keep you awake a lot less. Tip number 2, sleep in a distraction-free environment. So if you've got someone doing DIY outside, get some earplugs. I'm trying to make a video. Tip number 3, exercise. Now whether it's a full session at the gym or whether it's just a quick 15-20 minute walk in the evening, if you've done some of that exercise, you're much more likely to get better quality sleep. Number 4, avoid heavy meals. Now after we've eaten a big meal, we do feel really tired, but actually the quality of your sleep that you get after having had a big meal is not as good as if you've had a light meal. So by the time it gets to the evening, maybe skip dessert if you're thinking that you want to get a good night's sleep. And number 5 is routine. Try to make sure that you go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time each day. Now when it gets to the weekends, of course everyone likes a little bit of a lie-in, but don't go from waking up at 6 AM during the week to suddenly waking up at 10 AM on a weekend. Maybe just give yourself 1 or 2 hours extra sleep. Now if you want any more information on human growth hormone, then there's some links in the description. But for now, I'll see you next week. Good night.